Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome back in another episode about the PSR S670 Yamaha keyboard. It's a professional line keyboard, and today we will be making some professional things. It's a video for advanced users because we will be using the style creator today. So basically, at the beginning, what is style? I hope everybody knows, but for those who don't know, style consists of some parts of instruments with drums, and you are playing, for example, this hard rock, which is the section of the drums. You can transition to another section, and with the accompaniment enabled, which is here, you can play the keynote, for example, the C, F, G, and you have a few possible intros and a few possible endings. So you get intros, you get endings, you get main variation of the style, which means some changes, a little bit changes in rhythm and a little bit changes in instrumental playing this accompaniment. And you are playing only pressing the keynote, so the whole chord is transposed. And if you are recording style, if you are creating style, because today we will be talking how to create your own style, and with this style you can perform live or using this as a drum machine, as a looping for backing tracks. So it's a great tool for playing with music without using a computer, editing MIDI software. So actually the editor of MIDI is inside this little bit. Okay, so how to enter the style creator. The style creator is a little bit hidden. You are pressing the function key, and on the menu, using the tabs, you are going to menu 2 and you get style creator. You are pressing enter, and at the beginning is asking you if you like to edit the current style, which is hard rock, from the presets, and we will be making completely new style, completely new projects. So I'm pressing new style. And this is the main screen for style creation. We got here a selected section, which could be A, B, C, D. We got the pattern left for the rhythm and the melody. At the beginning, we'll start with length 1. I will tell you why. Because if you are recording the rhythm, it's recording on the metronome in real time in looping mode. So you are playing the standard 1 length, and if you want to expand it for 4 length, which means 4, each section is 4 times repeated. So I will start from 1 and then I expand, and I will show you that's why in practice this is useful. Next we get the tempo. So we could change the tempo, for example 120. Let's go a little bit down for 110, and beat, of course, we get 4/4, which means 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So you get counting on each quarter note. I hope what does it mean. It's a basic on the music. Okay, so if we have the setup of our new style prepared, we are going using this button to recording channels, and we got this prepared channels for we got some rhythm 1, rhythm 2, bass, and pianos, or any other pads and phrases. But for each of those instruments, you can change the MIDI instrument, which is behind this instrument. So basically, it starts and suggesting you recording the section rhythm 2, and it's a standard kit, 130, which means you get, for example, I will go here. Here is kick. Here is snare, another snare, and here are some hi-hats. You need to practice with this. And how this recording in loop mode looks like, I will go a little bit back with zoom so you could see what happened in here. We get tempo set of the style to 110, and to start recording in looping mode you are pressing start stop. This exactly the same button as you know from the performing styles, playing styles, and here we are in recording mode styles. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the corresponding note you are pressing the hit that you want to be. So let's do this like this. And as you can hear it repeating the section. And now it's time for snare. And we got very simple rhythm, 1, 2. And now let's do some hi-hats. Okay, I will press stop. And at the beginning you will have a lot of mistakes, miss in tempo, and to delete a particular note, for example this hi-hat, you are going with these arrows to clear any delete channel. And you get here, I maybe zoom a little bit, you get here this rhythm clear, and if we are press the rhythm clear and hold it, the message will tell you press corresponding note while recording, and this note will be removed from the rhythm. So press start, and I will try to remove hi-hats. So I have pressed, again, I have pressed this rhythm clear and the corresponding note, so the hi-hats go away. And again, let's do some mistakes. I want to remove this mistake, so press this rhythm clear and corresponding hi-hat. For example, let's delete the snare and let's only leave this kick. It's out of tempo, so I will show you how to remove all the channel. If you don't want to remove the notes drum by drum, you can remove all the channels. So press stop, go to channel delete, it's here, and select the channel you want to delete. We will be deleting the rhythm 2, and execute pressing enter. And now the channel is deleted. You can go again into recording mode, so press exit, recording channel, and again. If you have any notes on the rhythm, it will start from metronome, and I will try to do something. Pam pam pam. So we got the rhythm, we can stop it, let's hear. And this is our section. There is a little bit out of tempo, but don't worry, it's only a demonstration. We can quantize notes later, but not for this video. Let's assume that this rhythm is okay and you want to add something new. So we got only one pattern, so if you start recording, let's see the bass, you will not be able to make the whole melody. So now it's a good time to expand this pattern for longer duration. So let's press exit, go up into length of the pattern, and let's expand the pattern into 4. And now it means it automatically copy the whole parts of this rhythm. And go to recording channel again, and let's change the recording channel. So from the rhythm, we are okay with rhythm. Let's go to bass. So press long down. You get this message here. I will expand, zoom in a little bit. So press down, and as you can see, it's changed the recording channel from the rhythm into bass. And if you start playing, you will hear that the instrument over this bass is grand piano. To change the instrument, you are pressing the up, and you are changing the grand piano for something. Let's see, something interesting. Galaxy? No. Maybe let's take something from the bass. Funky analog? Nah. Trumpet, horns, guitar and bass. Fusion bass, it's really nice. Okay, so we got the bass section, and now we'll try to record some improvisation. Okay, so exit, and now on this bass channel number 3 we are recording in. So again, press, the rhythm is going up, it got now have a 4 section, and you have a little bit of time to do something. So as you can hear, the length is still 1. I didn't accept the changes, and now I got a very small space to make a melody. So stop, and let's delete the channel. So again, I will show you how to do this. Go down here, delete channel. Yes, select the channel to delete, enter, confirm. So we get deleted channel. Now go up, exit to enter this menu and change the length. The pattern length is 4 of section. Now we can save the style. Okay, confirm. But I'm wondering why it doesn't change the bar and the length is still 1. So I have to confirm by pressing enter. Yes. So you selecting the length and pressing enter. I didn't make it before, so it didn't change to 4. So okay, let's go back to record channeling, and we are here recording a section with bass, and now we got the tempo. And look at here, it's bar displaying. It's very good indicator to know where to start your melody, so not to start on bar 2 or 3. So press again. As you can see, it's changing the 2, 3, 4, and now we are starting from beginning. Dun, 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 something like this. Okay, let's try. And it's looping now. So I have recorded this bass section. Of course, it's still recording, so you can add something. And if you don't like some of this, you can always press exit. Using arrows, go to delete written clear. Sorry, in the recording of melody you don't have this rhythm. You can only delete the whole channel. So okay, let's leave it. Go back to recording section, and of course it's a playing, it's a lot of practice to make it nice, but I will show you, I have shown you how to make a recording drum section 1 and the drum and bass. And for example, let's go to another channel. So now we are switched to another channel. That's a piano. We will be playing something. Let's try to record something like this. So we are recording the piano on the channel 4. So press. Bar number 3, and we are starting. And we are now having our own looping machine. We can add another channel if you like. Here is also grand piano, so let's change it. So press the down, down to record and up to select something other. Maybe some strings. Where is strings? Simple strings. Nice. So exit and let's try. As you can see, it's changing the icons of the instruments, so you know what kind of instruments and graphic. And F. Oh, it's my mistake. There is a false note, so let's delete this channel. Go exit, channel delete, select the channel, the strings, confirm by pressing enter, and let's try again. So exit, recording channel, we get this selected, okay, let's start. The first for warming up, and start recording after the whole playing. And we are in loop now. And this is our style. Very simple, very useful, but you can play with this. Okay, so now let's save this style. We get only one variation A with no intro, but it's not time because we are running out of time. I hope the video will still remain. So let's go exit and save the style. So new style, confirm again the new style, okay. Style set. Let's go completely out of the style creator, and now our style is in a memory. So on the main screen you see the style is, you can always load it using the USB button here and select the style as you select from any other style from external drive. So let's play it. If you start with our accompaniment, you only got this rhythm which I have created. And of course, if you have accompaniment mode, you're not pressing the key note. And the style is recording for the keynote C. So if you press C, it records the melody that you have selected there. But if you change something, it's transposing. You get a lot of false notes here. Why? Because I was recording a key F. It was actually in key F, and I should record the chord C, because if you are recording styles, you can select the bass note and all transposing is done automatically. But it's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video about style creator. If you want to continue this lesson, it's an advanced lesson for style creation. Just give me a thumb up, give me a comment that you want to do more with this. And one of my viewers asked to play something with organs, the church organ. So let's select the church organ. I hope it's here. Church organ. Not nice. Not nice. Maybe another. Dance. Sorry. I don't know where this church organ, this completely doesn't sound. Alright, the pipe organ. Sorry, not the church organ, the pipe organ. Okay, so let's play something for demonstration. Okay, so thanks for watching. It was BB Walker, style creator with Yamaha PSR S670, recording using tripod as you advised me. So again, thanks for watching and see you later.